A new study has revealed that a granite pebble discovered at a Neanderthal rock shelter in central Spain may represent one of the earliest known examples of symbolic behaviour by the extinct human species. It's believed that a Neanderthal drew a face. The research, published in the journal Archaeological and Anthropological Sciences, describes the object as deliberately selected, transported, and marked with red ochre, an action the authors interpret as evidence of cognitive and possibly artistic intent. The findings are detailed in a study titled More Than a Fingerprint on a Pebble, a pigment-marked object from San Lazaro rock shelter in the context of Neanderthal symbolic behaviour. The artefact was found in July 2022 at the San Lazaro rock shelter in Segovia within Archaeological Level H, which has been radiocarbon dated to between 43,000 and 42,000 years before the present. This time frame places it in the final period of Neanderthal occupation in the Iberian Peninsula. The pebble itself is a quartz-rich granite measuring approximately 21.4 centimetres long, with 3 natural concavities on one of its faces. A red ochre dot, precisely applied in the central indentation, revealed under multispectral imaging a remarkably well-preserved fingerprint impression. This fingerprint is thought to have been left while the pigment was still wet, and analysis confirms it was almost certainly made by a Neanderthal individual. The researchers argue that the pebble was not used as a tool, citing the absence of percussion marks or other wear patterns typical of hammerstones. Instead, its deliberate selection, transport from a distant riverbed, and the precise application of pigment strongly support a symbolic or representational purpose. The study authors said, "This object contributes to our understanding of Neanderthals' capacity for abstraction, as it could represent one of the oldest known abstractions of a human face in the prehistoric record." The natural features of the stone, combined with the positioning of the ochre dot, suggest the appearance of a stylized human face, with the red mark evoking a nose between 2 eye-like depressions. The statistical likelihood of the pigment's placement occurring by chance is extremely low, strengthening the argument that the effect was intentional. This marks the first time a Neanderthal fingerprint has been identified on a non-utilitarian object using advanced imaging techniques. The authors contextualized the find within a broader reassessment of Neanderthal cognitive abilities, which have increasingly been shown to include the production of cave art, personal ornaments, and other symbolic objects. The study authors said, all the analyses carried out suggest an intentional effort to transport and paint the pebble for non-utilitarian purposes, suggesting that it is indeed the work of Neanderthals. This discovery adds to the growing body of evidence that Neanderthals were capable of complex symbolic behaviour, once thought to be unique to Homo sapiens. The San Lazaro pebble is now among the oldest known portable objects linked to Neanderthal symbolic expression, and offers new insight into their mental capacities, challenging long-held assumptions about their cognitive and cultural limitations. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description, or via YouTube Super Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.